Day 92 becoming financially free. I'm doing freelance digital marketing and this is bad.
Someone unsubscribed from my YouTube channel and I have 999 subscribers again.
But don't worry because I'm collecting leads every day.
I have 1069 emails inside of my GetResponse account, and my email list is one of the most important assets I have in my affiliate business.
Because I can promote multiple affiliate products. And to collect leads, basically what I'm doing is that I drive traffic to a simple page and I give in something in exchange for the email. This is a great way to collect emails. The more emails you have, the more money you will make.
Now, let me show you the page that I'm using to collect emails. So when people click this button, free ebook download, this pop-up appears and I can collect a name and an email.
Once I have that information, I can redirect those people to my affiliate offer. And if someone buys through that link, I can make a commission. But more importantly, I have the email. And then I can do the follow-up with email marketing by sending valuable information and my affiliate offer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.